Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an interesting algorithmic problem, lexicographically numbers. So what exactly are we doing in this problem? Well, given an integer n, we want to generate all the numbers from 1 to n, but instead of sorting them numerically, we sort them lexicographically, just like how words are arranged in a dictionary. For example, if n equal to 13, the output would be 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What's the challenge here? The tricky part is to come up with an efficient solution that runs in 0 and time while using only 0, 1 extra space, meaning we need to solve this problem without using much additional memory. So what do we approach this? Well, use depth first search DFS style traversal through the number sequence. Starting from 1, we will keep trying to go deeper by multiplying the current number by 10. Just like moving to the next level in a tree, if we can't do that because we have exceed n, we go back up to the n, increment the numbers to its next lexicographical sibling. Here the key points are: we start at 1, and for each number we either move down by multiplying by 10 or go back and increment. We keep doing this until we reach n. The get next number function ensures that we are always traversing the sequence in lexicographical order. It checks if we can go deeper by multiplying by 10. If not, it increments the current number but makes sure to avoid trailing zeros by dividing by 10. Here the complexity is this approach works is 0 and time because we visit each number exactly once. And as for space, apart from the result list, we only use a few variables, so it's 0, 1 extra space. Why is this efficient? Instead of generating all numbers and sorting them lexicographically upward, which would be much slower, this method directly builds the sequence in lexicographical order as we go. It's simple yet elegant and efficient. And there you have it, a neat solution to generate a lexicographical numbers. Let's run the code. Okay, it accepted. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Feel free to ask any question in the comment, and I will see you in the next one.